The trip on the Chicago, Burlington and Quincy Railroad starts in the birthplace state of Illinois. In Chicago, it shared a Union Depot built in 1881 with the Pennsylvania Railroad and the Pittsburgh-Fort Wayne in Chicago. In 1922, a new Union Depot was built, which Burlington was an equal owner with the Milwaukee Road, Pennsylvania Railroad, and Gulf Mobile in Ohio. There was a coach yard at 14th Street. Hudson number 3002 was built with a streamlined shroud for Zephyr protection power. Hudsons were run 779 miles without change from Chicago to McCook, Nebraska. Cicero Yard was converted to a hump yard in 1957 to classify as many as 3,600 cars per day. The yard has 93 miles of track and a capacity of 5,777 cars.